Android mobile and log in with your Gmail account which you are using for Free Fire Max. So here, right, you need to click on this get email invite. Okay, just search Free Fire Max and then get email invite. So invitation is sent to my email ID. Now I'm going to verify. Just check my email ID. I have received this beta. Okay, I need to install in my PC, right? Play Free Fire Max on PC. So get started. Super cool. Install on Windows. Okay, I'm going to give install on Windows. It's downloading. Okay, exe is downloaded. Through Google Play Games, I can play it. Okay, super cool. Free Fire Max. Okay, and this is the location. Install it. You need to use the same account where you got the invite. So I'm going to name it, and then I'm creating the profile. Accept. Finish. Cool. So already in my library, Free Fire Max is there. Okay, so I'm going to tap it. I need to install now. So how to check that hardware virtualization is already enabled or not in my PC? So for that, right, in Windows PC, just go to taskbar and right click and open this task manager. Okay, and so here click on this hamburger menu and then go to this performance. Okay, and then click on CPU, and then here right side you can check virtualization is disabled. See, it's a disabled. So now I'm going to enable it. For that, you need to restart your PC in BIOS mode. Okay, so you need to check the firmware settings actually. So close all the apps and then go to settings. Go to settings. Under setting, right, click on the system, and here choose recovery. Click on this recovery, and then under advanced startup, right, you need to click on this restart now. Okay, so here I'm going to click on this restart now. Yes, I think it's going to BIOS mode. Yes, now you need to click on this troubleshoot. Click on the troubleshoot and then go to advanced options, and here right you need to click on this UEFI firmware settings. So click on that. So I'm going to restart it. So that's it, friends. Now you can see this BIOS settings here. So here actually we need to go to this overclocking settings. Okay, overclocking. Okay, click on this overclocking settings and come to this CPU features. Okay, and here you can see this SVM mode. So by default it is disabled. I need to enable it. Before that, I just want to show the shortcut if you're not able to find it. Okay, and here you can search actually. So here type SVM mode. If you're using AMD motherboard, then you need to type SVM. If it is a Intel motherboard, you need to search Intel. Okay, so SVM motherboard, so it's enabled, it's a disabled. I'm going to enable it. So type SVM, enabled. That's it, friends. Now I should not be getting any error if I'm trying to install any games in Google Play. Okay, fine. So you need to basically search on overclocking settings, and here come to features, CPU features, and then click on this SVM mode and enable it. So that's it, friends. So once done, right, you need to save it actually. So settings is done, and then I need to press F10 to save it in the keyboard. Save configuration and exit. Yes, I'm going to give that. After enabling virtualization on in the BIOS settings, I'm going to verify in Task Manager. Right click Task Manager and then click on the hamburger menu and go to performance and then click on CPU. Now you can see this virtualization is enabled. Okay, that's cool. Now I'm going to open the Google Play games data. Cool, it should be in my library. I'm trying to install any of the games. Okay, now I'm going to install it. Yes, super cool. Now I'm going to add it the shortcut. So shift tab to check the controls. Okay, press F11 for full screen to exit. Good. You can reduce the volume here. Visual settings here, resolution, you can change up to 4K. For 4K, I need to restart. Okay, fine, cool. I'm closing it. Going to play as a guest.